Out of all these cars, which one would I trust to last long? Not this, not this. Definitely not the BMW. Not that, not that, not that, not that. This. Subaru Outback. This car is a champion. Warrior. A fighter. Commander. It's a 4-cylinder with 4-wheel drive. This car is a beast. See, a car is basically like, I know you guys are saying, like, what the hell are you talking about? This ugly thing. This car is a beast. The car is supposed to get you from point A to point B, and this car does that plus more. Trust me, you can beat on this car, and it's not gonna fail you. You can abuse it. She's a keeper. Abuse her all you want to. She's gonna hold you down. She's not leaving you. This car's like best money you can spend on a car. Subaru Outback.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and in this video,
I'm gonna tell you why this car is probably the most reliable car. It's a 2.5. Everything is basically right in front of you. It's a 4-cylinder engine. It's all-wheel drive. The radiator is right here. It has a lot of space if you need to change it. The alternator right here if you need to change it. Spark plugs right there if you need to change it. The 2 wires coming to this side. Spark plugs right there, spark plug right there. 4-cylinder, so it only comes in 4. The wires are right there. This is the distributor cap. Alternator. That is the alternator. See what you have to take out to do the alternator. See that? Look at the alternator on the Subaru. It's right up top. That is why the Subaru is legendary. This is the best car ever. Look at this. Show them again where this is at. Gotta take off the whole front. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy.
follow along as I do a few maintenance repairs like spark plugs, wires, brakes and rotors, and all 4 shocks. I will also replace the thermostat. There isn't really any video on how to replace the thermostat on YouTube, so pay attention. I will be showing you. Right now, as you can see, I'm changing the spark plugs and the wires.
I'm going to be changing the struts and the brakes and rotors. New struts, the brake pads, rotors at the bottom, right there, right there.
Whenever you start hearing squeaks when you step on the brakes, it's time to replace them. Also, when you hit a pothole and it feels like the whole car is about to break, you need new struts or shocks.
Thermostat is located right here. Right there. Changed it. There. I have my bucket right here to catch all the antifreeze.
I searched all over YouTube for a reference video so I can use for this. I could not find one. In this video, you'll be learning exactly where the location of the thermostat is. The first thing that you do is take a plier and take off the clamps so you can release the hose from the housing. Once you take off the hose, you can take off the housing that's held on by two 10mm bolts. Once you take the housing off, the thermostat is right behind it. You can shimmy it out. Just watch. Remember, there is antifreeze left in the hose, so always keep a bucket at the bottom and catch it, and be very careful and watch out for spills like this one.
Screws fell. Thermostat right there.
And that is how you take out the thermostat. Now time to replace it. Remember, it comes with a gasket. You want to make sure you replace the gasket as well. Put it in there, the replacement part. I got this one from AutoZone, only 17 bucks. Put it in, should solve any overheating problems. If you're not getting heat, this is the first, simple solution before you go to the next step, which is the head gasket. This is the simplest solution. 17 bucks, got a thermostat, solve the problem. And that is it, fellas. This is how you change the thermostat. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me so it can spread to more people. Subscribe for more car and trucking related content. See you on the next one. Peace.